Okay. My name Akram Zeyada from Egypt. I am talk how to make your own world. This question asking to me from 6 years. How can I make your own world? How can you make your own world? Some student ask me, how can I make your own world? Did you know? No? No. By attending this event. Today, you make your own world. By attending this event, you make your own world. Now, after 6 years, I am team leader for Google Developers Group in Egypt. I am solution engineer in Orange Telecom Company. Make many projects in technology, communication engineer, telecommunication engineer. I am happy to be with you to say by this event, learn more and more. You can make a good things, and I am very happy to be with you now. Thank you.